Hello, everybody. Welcome to lesson number 5. As usual, we are going to be doing the keywords, the sight words, the short sentences, and the worksheets, that is DIY worksheets. So let's get started. Today we are doing the and family. So as usual, you're beginning with the first two letters making a sound and then the last word. B, a, ba, ban, k, a, ca, can, f, a, fa, fan, ma, man. And please pause the video and repeat. Pa, pan, ra, ran, t, ta, tan, v, ba, van, cl, cla, clan, pl, pla, plan, sk, 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 ska, scan, sp, 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 spa, span, th, th, there, then. So if your child is already doing three-letter words, that's great. You can move on to doing four-letter words. But if this is their first time, just stick with three-letter words. And then when they're thorough with the three-letter words, you can move on to four-letter words. Sight words are the, had, a, is, to, more, life, to, for, nurse, took, him, has, short, tribe, more, and fly. Make sure you are showing your child flashcards so they understand what sight words are, and these need to be memorized. If you need help with sight words, I have made a video on activity on the top right hand corner. Short sentences. We have started with simple sentences and we progressively get difficult as we go lower. The and man had a and fan. Again, you gotta pause the video and make sure that your child repeats. The man had a fan. Now, there are some words here that's the and have been used as sight words in the previous lessons. Also, the word had has been used in the add family. So make sure you're going through the previous lessons and then moving on to this lesson so it will be easier for them to read. The man had a fan. A and a man had a k and a can. A man and a can. He had a p and a pan and a v and a van. He had a pan and a van. And Dan had a pl and a plan. Dan had a plan. And Dan and ran to the p and a van. Dan ran to the van. He had to b and ban the t and tan. He had to ban the tan. The and a man had more f and a fan than d and Dan. The man had more fan than Dan. The lifespan of a fly is short. The lifespan of a fly is short. The tribe has two clans. The tribe has two clans. The nurse took him for a scan. The nurse took him for a scan. Again, these are difficult, so they are for older children. Let's get started with worksheets. Here is a can. Here is a fan, like a table fan. And this is the pan. All you have to do is fill in missing letters to complete the word. So you're filling in the sound of the first letter. So this is a can. So this is k and a can. So it's C, k and a can. This is a fan. So it's f and a fan. The letter for f is F, f and a fan. This is a pan. and pan. It's P-A-N, pan. Moving on to the circle the words that end in an. So we're going to find all the words that are mixed up over here and see the last two. So that's man. This is a pan. Let's find here. Here it is. And so that's b and ban. Map, lab, no. Map, no. Dab, no. So you go through each word. Pad is now can. K and can. T and tan. Pl and plan. F and fan. Cl and clan. Sp and span. Any more left? R and ran. Lad, glad, the and than. Cab, and scan. So we got all of them, I hope. Okay, so this is very simple. You can do this at home. Just write down all the words and get them to pick the words. Next is match the picture and print the words. So here we have a van, right? So you're gonna look for a van. Here it is. So v and van. Here this person is running. He ran. So you look for r, 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 and ran. Match that. This is a man. So we're looking for mm, and man. Next is a handspan, and you're gonna match that to sp and a span. So while I'm doing this, you gotta ask your child to pause the video and pick the correct word. Here we're just going to go ahead and print the words as is. So sp and span. If your child needs help, you can just put dots and then have them write on it until they're thorough with writing. If they are comfortable, then they can just write by themselves. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson. Please subscribe.